Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using the EDGAR database of corporate information to find company information. The Electronic Data Gathering Analysis and Retrieval, or EDGAR system, compiles data on company financials as submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Information is available in full text from 1993 to the present. This content is available in the EDGAR database as well as other databases available at McDermott Library. To access this and other online resources, start at the library's webpage, utdallas.edu/library, and click on Databases. Databases are accessible by either subject or by title. Click the letter E to find databases. Scroll down to find the EDGAR database of corporate information. Click Search for Company Filings. In the next screen, look for Search by Company or Fund Name, Ticker Symbol, Central Index Key, File Number, State, etc. In this search, the company name or ticker symbol must be known. Ticker symbols give more accurate results. Often a company name will bring back various companies using similar names. In this example, type Starbucks into the search box and then click Search. Choose the company that best matches state, country, location, or industry description. Then click on the red CI key number to the left of the company's name. The results list will show the company's most recent filings, including annual reports, proxy statements, financials, and other available reports. Use the filter results to filter by filing type, date of filing, or ownership information. Click on Documents to view the HTML or Word document. These reports can be extensive. It is a good idea to pay attention to the size column in the Documents list before clicking on the link to open or download a report. If you need additional assistance with this or any other library resource, please contact us at utdallas.edu/library using the chat slide out. We are happy to help you with any of your research questions.